Hey champion, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel that is less of mine and more of us. First of all, a very happy new year. I know I am a bit late, but this year, let's together take every action, every step, and do everything that will make 2025 the best year we have ever lived. Okay? Okay, so this is the first video of the year and also the first video of the series 7 habits. 7 habits you should not ignore in 2025 if you want to become a better person. अगर बेहतर इंसान नहीं बनना है तो अभी स्किप कर दो इस वीडियो को, इसमें कुछ है नहीं तुम्हारे लिए. रुकने वाले हो? चलो बढ़िया. In today's video, we will be talking about habit number 1, that is waking up early, and I will share 3 tips that helped me in getting better at this habit. Now, without any delay, let's start the video.
See, I want to work on myself. I want to become a better person. I want to achieve all my dreams and I want to achieve all my goals and I want to do all of those things. But the thing is that I don't have time. Where do I find time for all these self-improvement things? I have to go to college, then I have assignments, classes, studies, exams, और फिर खाना भी खाना होता है. और फिर दोस्तों से भी तो मिलने जाएगा ना इंसान. और फिर सोना भी तो कितना जरूरी है. सोना भी तो बहुत जरूरी है. नींद भी जरूरी है. इन सब में where do I find time for all these self-improvement things? I don't have time.
If you wake up just 1 hour earlier than your usual time, you will have 7 hours in the week and 30 hours in the month to work on yourself. Think about it. 7 hours in the week and 30 hours in the month to work on yourself, and trust me, my dear champion, that is much more than enough for you to get yourself on the right track and start working on yourself. The main purpose of this habit is to give you some extra hours so that you can take care of yourself too. No one is going to give you some extra hours in the day to work on yourself. If you truly want to work on yourself, you will have to build this habit. तुमको सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा. वैसे ही तुमको टाइम मिलेगा. सुबह जल्दी उठ के ही तुमको टाइम मिलेगा खुद पे काम करने का. ठीक है? ठीक है. So start by waking up just 10 minutes earlier than your usual time. If you wake up at 8 a.m. usually, make it 7:50, then 7:40, then 7:30, 7:20, 7:10 and keep reducing it till you reach the mark of 5 a.m. I know initially even these 10 minutes are going to feel like a really tough thing to do. But once you experience the calmness, the stillness, the early morning vibes, then there's no going back. Tip number 1 is avoid afternoon naps. Once you start waking up early, you'll automatically start sleeping early. You just have to avoid afternoon naps for at least 6 months while you are building this habit. Then tip number 2 is reward yourself with something meaningful. सुबह 10 मिनट पहले उठे हैं, उसके लिए दोपहर में 4 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा सो के खुद को रिवॉर्ड दे रहे हैं. ऐसा वाला रिवॉर्ड नहीं देना है. ठीक है? Reward yourself with something meaningful, something that adds real value, real joy to your daily life. Okay? Like for me, initially when I was building this habit, seeing the sunrise was my reward for waking up early. And now my reward for waking up early is 4 hours deep work session. हम पूरे दिन के लिए चार्ज हो जाते हैं. Similarly, find something for yourself that gives you real dopamine hit and charges your body for the entire day. Okay. Now, tip number 3 is avoid any sort of screen 1 hour before going to bed. This will improve your sleep quality, and once you sleep well, there's no chances you are going to lie in your bed till 9 or 10 or 11 a.m. Okay. There you have it, champion. Now I hope you'll not say, I don't have time to work on myself, because you do have 7 hours in the week and 30 hours in the month to work on yourself. For the next 6 days, give an honest try to this habit, execute it, and in case you face any problem in executing this habit, I'm always here to help. You can reach out to me either on Telegram or Instagram. I hope this video was worth your time. In the next one, we will discuss how you can charge your body for a good day. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's absolutely free for you, but helps us a lot. If you have any feedback for me or any question for me, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you on Saturday at 5:15 p.m. sharp. Until then, remember that yes, you are a champion, and worry less, live more.